What's going on, guys? I've got a 2017 Kia Soul and I'm going to use it to point out to you how to change your headlight bulbs. So go ahead and pop open the hood here. I'm also going to show you about the turn signal bulb and your side marker bulb here. So real easy. You're going to rotate this counterclockwise and pull it straight out. This is going to be for your headlight bulb. And you disconnect it by just pushing down on this piece right here and pulling straight back. And with this, there's some little tabs there for your fingers. Again, you rotate it counterclockwise and pull it straight out. This is an H13 bulb. And when you remove it, you're going to want to make sure that you get the seal to come out with it as well, because the new one will probably come with a new seal. And when you install the new bulb, you're going to want to take care to not touch the glass with your fingers or anything else, because if the glass is oily or dirty, it could cause the bulb to fail prematurely. And to install this new bulb, you just push it in there and then rotate it until it kind of locks. And you'll want to take this opportunity to look inside of the pins and see if there's any corrosion present there. It might be like green or chalky white powder. If you do see corrosion there, you'll want to replace the pigtail, because that can cause the bulb to not work either. You push that back in, find your little cover here, and it can only go on the one way. So what I do is I rotate it counterclockwise until I find a position where it falls in, and then you just turn it again. This is going to be your parking light / turn signal. Pull this straight out, and the bulb, you push down and rotate it counterclockwise and it will come out as well. And what kind of bulb is this? Can't really read the lettering, but probably you can buy it at any parts store. And you'll want to check to see if this is corrosion as well. And check these little side pieces. That's where the contacts are made for the power. And the new bulb, you just slide it down and turn it counterclockwise until it clicks again. You just push that back on and turn it. And the side marker bulb, pretty much the same deal. Gonna be right here. Just comes out like so. I think the bulb part number on that is like a 168 or a 194 or something like that. And at this point, you know, everything I've shown you is on the passenger side. The driver's side is a little trickier because there's a fuse box in the way. You can try removing the cover, and what you'll find is you can get this mostly out, but it gets blocked. Really, the thing to do would be to loosen that, which I believe is a 12 millimeter, and you loosen these two 10 millimeters right there. You may have to pop this out as well. That should give you enough wiggle room here to get this up and out of the way. You don't need much clearance to maneuver this out. So yeah, that about covers it. I hope this was helpful, and let me know if you guys have any questions or any advice about changing your headlight bulbs on the Soul.